In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Show Groups feature in the Design, Create, and Publish tabs of the Timesavers add-in. As I'm adding more features to the Timesavers add-in, the ribbon is getting more and more full and cramped. So what I've done is I've made it possible for you to show and hide groups in the ribbon so that it can free up space and make it easier for you to work with. I've also added this button over here so you can put the Show Groups feature at the end or at the beginning of the ribbon if you want to. So if you prefer to have it over here at the beginning, then you can do that as well. So you can just use that to toggle between the beginning and the end of the ribbon. Okay, so as at the moment, all the groups are showing, but if I don't want to have all of those showing, then I can click on them to deselect them, and that will hide the groups. So that is available in the Design tab. It's also available in the Create tab as well, where you can hide groups like that if you want to, and you can show them again if you want to, and you can also move this to the end of the ribbon if you would like. And then the same thing for the Publish tab as well. So you can do the same thing. Also, you can hide groups as you need to, and you can show them again as you need to, and you can move this to the end of the tab as you want as well. There isn't a Show Groups feature in the Marketplaces tab, because when you're using the Marketplaces tab, all of the groups kind of work together, and so I anticipate that you're not going to really want to hide things because you need to use them all at the same time. Okay, so that's how you use the Show Groups feature in the Design, Create, and Publish tabs of the Timesavers add-in. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you. Goodbye.